This is Google Vids, AI-powered video creation and editing software. First, start with this plus icon and you can create if you want landscape, portrait or square. I want landscape, so I will click on that. Now, if you have your video created, click right here on View, and here you can create from scratch or animate an image if you want. You can also choose if you want a landscape or portrait right here. You can even add some ingredients to mesh up with your AI created video clip. Here, describe your 8-second video. You can add ingredients such as brand images, characters and more. I have this prompt that I will paste right here and click on generate. As you can see, my video is ready for preview, so I can preview it right here. And I can insert it to my sequence by clicking this button. Right now, as you can see, it is here and I can edit it, trim it, or even add music to it if I want. So watch other tutorials if you want to see how it's done. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.